Analyzing the results of a Think Out Loud study couldn't be any easier thanks to AI-powered insight summaries. We click on our Think Out Loud study. You can see 18 of 18 sessions are completed. We come into it, we go right over to our results page, and the first thing we see is an AI-generated summary. You can see the goal here: evaluate and interact with a new AI shopping assistant and get their attitudes towards AI-driven shopping features as well. This was built with AI as well, the entire study. Open it up to show the summary. There's an overview. There's significant usability challenges and low satisfaction with the shopping assistant. While 15 of 18 participants expressed willingness to use the AI shopping assistant, the actual experience was only 40% successful. So you're getting actual metrics combined with qualitative insights right in the overview. Down below, you can see the key findings that fed into that overview. There are themes like expectations, pain points, opportunities for improvement, ease of use elements. All of it is right here with the key evidence that you can see. So if you want to dig into a little bit more into this critical accuracy and relevancy failures, we can open that up and see 40% task success rate. I can scroll down, or I can just click on this. It's going to take me directly to the metrics, the time on task, the page views, the interactions. Here's the data. We can drill right in and watch recordings of this as well. We can go back up to our summary and we can see there's other mentions of this during the task. Not just the metrics, but there were mentions of people getting incorrect recommendations. Let's open that up. We can click play and see the actual video that is from this transcript. Scrolling on down, you can see the other metric output is here. Things like this ranking order question. We can see how people prioritize different things. Multiple choice questions. More open-ended verbal and written responses with AI themes, just like we saw above. Any one of these, you can click in and see what were the responses that made up these themes. It's all here in your results page. If you want to filter anything, let's say, hey, I only want the feedback from people that couldn't complete this. You simply click on it, you say show only these participants, and you're just going to see the results for the people who failed at the task. It's just that easy to analyze the results of your Think Out Loud study.